Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the smart motion of Vivo Y1s smartphone. Okay, you can see if your screen is on, just double tap to turn on the screen like this, and if you want to turn off the screen, again double tap to turn off the screen. Just again double tap to turn it on, and again double tap to turn off the screen. And if your phone is put on the flat surface, you can see if it is on flat surface, just raise to wake up the screen like this. You can see when the screen is turned off, just raise to wake up the screen like this. And if your screen is turned off and you want to unlock the phone, just slide upward like this to unlock the phone. And if you slide downward, you can see camera opens. And if you want to launch the dialer, just draw C, and you can see dialer launched. And if you want to launch the email, just draw at. You can see email launched. And if you want to launch the Facebook, just draw F. Yeah, it is hard to draw F. I think you should work on it. You has to work on it. You can see not working on F. Tried many times. Okay, wait, draw F. Okay guys, so it is hard to draw F, and if you want to launch dialer, just draw C like this to launch dialer. And you can open many applications like this. So guys, this is the smart motion of a Vivo Y1s smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.